pleasure for me to be invited by the Chief Minister of Telangana State.
Dr. Zakir Naik is a renowned, dynamic international orator on Islam and comparative religion. Dr. Zakir Naik is the president of Islamic Research Foundation in Mumbai. Dr. Zakir clarifies Islamic viewpoints and clears misconceptions about Islam using the Quran, authentic hadith, and other religious scriptures as a basis in conjunction with reason, logic, and scientific facts. He is 47 years old. He is popular for his critical analysis and convincing answers for challenging questions posed by audiences after his public talks. In the last 17 years, by the year 2013, Dr. Zakir Naik has delivered more than 2,000 public talks in the USA, Canada, UK, Italy, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, Egypt, Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Thailand, Guyana, South America, Trinidad and Tobago, and many other countries, and now for the first time in Africa, a lecture of this man.
And personally to say, you are one of my idols, beside my Chief Minister in Sarawak, Tan Sri Adnan Satim.
I as a Dai, or I as a Muslim, I have to correct his picture of Islam. Allah says in Surah Nahl chapter 16 verse 125, Udu ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal ma'azat al hasna wajadun billati ahsan. Invite all to the way of thy Lord with the wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them and reason with them in the ways that are best and most gracious.